Anything can happen in an instant when it comes to treating minor injuries at home. Mandy has tips to keep you up to speed. Here's Mom to Mom.
Today on Mom to Mom, we have a first aid hack that's going to save you some money and some time. My kids play sports, and so a lot of times they tend to get hurt, bumps and bruises while we're out at the ball field. So today we're making DIY gel ice packs to help us be a little bit more prepared. So the first thing you're going to need are some reusable Ziploc bags. And the reason why I use these is because they're a little bit more sturdier than the regular Ziploc bag. Plus those tend to leak, these do not. So then you're going to need some household items like some dish soap, some rubbing alcohol, water, and for fun, I like to use some food coloring. Now let me show you how to make one. First, you want to grab that Ziploc bag because everything is just going to go right in there, make it nice and easy for you. You want to take your 2 cups of water and pour it right in the bag. Then a cup of rubbing alcohol and pour that right in the bag. Then just a small little squirt of your dish soap. And to make it fun and give it some color, you can use a little food coloring, whatever color you like. Seal it nice and tight. Make sure you get all the air out and stick it in the refrigerator for about 5 hours or overnight, whatever you prefer. And you have a nice DIY gel ice pack to take with you to the ballpark or just to have at home in case your kids get those bumps and scrapes. As you can see, this is a nice gel type and it definitely doesn't leak. I would not suggest you give this to toddlers just because it has the rubbing alcohol in it. But if you wanted to secure it a little bit more, you could play around, maybe put some duct tape on it to kind of seal it a little better. And if you have any suggestions on making this a little bit more secure, we'd love to hear it. You can always message us on our Mom to Mom Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Pediatric Dentistry of Columbus.